change your photos from this to this, from this to this, and from this to this. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can use Nano Banana to edit your images. This is so professional. The images look so stunning, and you can see. Let's get started. One of my friends sent me these photos and he wanted me to give them a new look. So without delay, let's get started. First of all, we are going to head to our browser and we search for Gemini. As you can see, I've already logged in. Gemini has a new feature called Nano Banana AI. This can transform images in any way you want. Without delay, let me begin with the first images. So as you have seen those images, I'm going to begin with this one named Edison. Drag and drop. It will immediately upload itself. And then after, from there, you write a prompt. For this image, he wanted me to put his son wearing a Chelsea jersey. So without delay, I'm going to type my prompt, which is without changing the person's face, change his t-shirt to a jersey of Chelsea. So after writing our prompt, we hit enter and immediately the AI starts the work. As you can see, this takes a lot of time. You have to be patient so that to get the work done correctly. Our image is ready. So as you can see, the guy is already in a Chelsea's jersey. As you can see, let me change the background. I'll type my prompt. Don't upload the image again, just type the prompt. So I'll say change the background to that of a stadium and then hit enter. With this AI, I found it very easy. You don't have to type a lot of words there so that to get what you want. Just simple lines and the work will be done. You can see the guy as if he was watching the match, yet he wasn't. And what I haven't told you, or what we haven't written in our prompt, is to enhance the image, but the image is already enhanced. You just have to download it and use it in a way you want. To download it, come here. You can see there is download full size. So just press there and download our image. Let's go to another image. So don't again upload the image here. Just come here and say new chat, because if you upload the image there, the AI will assume that you are still continuing with that chat. So what you have to do is get a new chat. For the new chat, we again upload our image. So I have this image of a couple and I want to change it. For this image, he wanted his wife to be in a wedding gown and he also be putting on a suit as if it was their wedding day. So I will type my prompt and say change the lady's clothing to a wedding gown and those of a man to the suit, and hit enter. We shall wait as our image is being generated. With AI, you have to be patient. In my previous videos, I've always told you to always be patient. When you rush, you don't get what you want. So our image is ready. You can see there is no big change here. apart from the clothing, the face is the same. Let's remove the cap, because on the wedding day a man shouldn't be putting on a cap. No, so if you agree with me, let's go. I said move man is cap. I like this AI. Gemini is doing better. I guess this is the first image editing AI that I've enjoyed so far. The cap is already gone. So now let's focus on another image. As I told you, he sent me a couple of images and I want to work on them as you are watching. So I'm going to work on this lady. So this lady, she was happy, smiling. So he didn't tell me what to do, but let me suggest for him. It seems to be this lady is a Manu fan. So I'll let her put on a Manu and Jazzy. So they say change this lady's color face a Manu. Just click here. So where they say submit. And so as you can see, the lady is putting on a, let me change the jersey to that. I like the white one. Another jersey, then enter. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like the video and comment what we should talk about next time. Thank you for watching. I love you so much, you guys.